Hi, I'm David with DB Construction. Today I'm here to show you how to install some really great vinyl products introduced to you by 6th Avenue Building Products, manufactured by Bodo Plastics. If you have the right tools, it's an easy installation. Let's get started. Here are some of the basic tools you may need to install your PVC fence. You've got a level to level your post and your panels, string line, hammer, tape measure. I like to use a black marker against the white PVC. It shows up better rather than a pencil. You've got an 1/8 inch pilot bit for ease of setting your screws, your brackets to your post. The screws that come with the kit are universal. You could either use a number 2 square drive or a number 2 Phillips. For setting your hinges for your gate, you're gonna need a 7/16 socket, or I like to use a driver bit. You've got your cordless drill, and finally PVC glue or silicone caulk to set your post caps. Here are some additional tools and supplies you're gonna need to install your post. You've got some braces to hold your post in place. You've got some stakes. You've got your wheelbarrow. You got a shovel. You got your post hole digger and your concrete. Always remember to contact your local municipality before you dig. Out of the box, the post kit includes a 5x5 universal post, 1 matching cap, and 4 rail slot covers. So now that the local utilities have given us the all clear to dig our fence, I'm going to show you today how to install a continuous line of fencing, which is usually a post panel installation. Today we're also going to show you how to install a gate in your fencing and the importance of always measuring twice before digging and installing your next post. First, we want to start a string line from your first post to your end post. That'll help establish a straight line. Now we want to lay out where our posts are going to go, measuring the panel and the post. Always remember to measure twice. You never want to have to dig a hole a second time. Now that our post holes are dug, time to start installing our post and leveling them. When plumbing your post, sometimes you might want to use a brace to help stabilize your posts. Always a good idea to measure your panel in whatever ground clearance you're going to need to establish the height of your post. From there, you're going to string a line from one end post to the other and set your middle post to that height. So out of the box, your privacy fence panel kit includes a top and a bottom rail, your metal insert for your bottom rail, and 12 privacy panels. Don't forget to put in the metal insert in your bottom rail for added support. Now that we have one end of our top rail locked into place and one side slightly elevated to help install the fence panels, making sure that the panels are locked in on the bottom and slid tight. Your last panel may need to be trimmed to fit. You can use a table saw or a skill saw to help with this. Slide in and lock your last piece in, locking your top rail down, and pull your last post tight. Now that we have our panel set, it's time to start installing our gate. What I recommend is a 4x4 in the ground and then putting your sleeve over it. That gives extra support for the hinge side of your gate. When setting your gate post on your hinge side, it's always good to double check your measurements. You want to make sure that you have 1 inch extra clearance for your latch and for your hinges. Make sure that your 4x4 is on the hinge side of your post sleeve, making for a good installation of your hinges, as well as leaving room for your top and bottom rail on your next panel. Your privacy gate kit comes complete with self-closing hinges, spring-loaded latch, and hardware. So here we are putting our post cap on. Easy installation and looks great.